interpersonal skills. There are two skills for a job: hard skills versus soft skills. Hard skills are specific ability or know how to we work, like Photoshop, IT skills, or construction, any kind of jobs. Soft skills are self-developed, life-learned attributes like social skills, adaptability. Combined, these make up a skill set which is a job seeker range of skill and abilities. Interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are the skills required to effectively communicate, interact, and work with others. Interpersonal skills, which are known as human skills, soft skills, or mental intelligence skills, are related to communication and contact with the others. Interpersonal skills are the skills we use every day when we communicate and interact with other people, both individually or in group. They also include the ability to control and manage other emotions. Interpersonal skills examples. There are a lot of examples for interpersonal skill, like problem solving, communication, conflict resolution, decision making, professional ethics, leadership, empathy, meditation, negotiation, listening, passion, responsibility, influencing, precision, relationship building, teamwork, collaboration, ability to work under pressure, adaptability, dependability, emotional intelligence, creativity, motivation, positive attitude, honesty. Inter- understand Understanding interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are often referred to as social intelligence. They depend on reading the signal other and send and interpreting them accurately to form of response. Interpersonal skills are everyday we use skills when we communicate in separate individual communication and communication with others. Interpersonal skills. Strong interpersonal skills such as negotiation, problem solving, and knowledge sharing are the main requirement for many jobs. Other skills are essential qualification for all employees, including communication. Communication is a quintessential interpersonal skills that must be demonstrated to potential employers. Hiring managers are looking for individuals who can clearly articulate complex idea to others. Verbal communication, what we say and how we say it. Non-verbal communication, what we communicate without words, for example through body language or tone of voice. Listening skills. How we interpret both the verbal and non-verbal messages sent by others. Empathy. People at work graduate people toward those who are capable of showing empathy and taking action constant with an understanding of how others feel. Leadership. Even if we are now not a manager, it is important to have some leadership experience and ability. Leadership requires being able to motivate and encourage others and help to team achieve success. Positive attitude. Employers want to hire employees who make the office a brighter place. They want people with a friendly, positive demonstration. Emotional intelligence. Being able to understand and manage your own and other emotions. Team working. Being able to work with other two groups and team, both if, formal and informal. Negotiation, session, and influencing skills. Working with others to find a mutually agreeable win-win outcome. This may be considered a subset of communication, but it is often treated separately. Conflict resolution and mediation. Working with others to resolve interpersonal conflict and disagreements in a positive way, which again may be considered subset of communication. Problem solving and decision making. Working with others to identify, define, and solve problems, which include making decisions about the best course of action. Additional interpersonal skills. Some list additional personal skills are consolidation, diplomacy, diversity, help others, kindness, passion, respect, sensitivity, sympathy, responsibility, subordinance, motivation, flexibility, passion, sympathy. Interpersonal skill in a workplace. Contrary to technical or hard skill, mutual skills are soft skills that are easily transferable to industry and location. Employees observe mutual skills because they contribute to positive working environments and help maintain efficient operation. In work environment, strong interpersonal skills are an asset that can help you navigate complexity, change, and day-to-day tasks. How we improve interpersonal skill? Improving interpersonal skills are best honed by practice. Interpersonal skills are so vital for both work and personal relationship that they are worth developing. Here are some tips for help. Decide which area you need to improve. Maybe you are aware of certain area that you are weak in, or there are specific requirements for a job you are applying for. Learn from feedback. Consider the relationship you have with other colleagues. Thinking about the feedback you have been given, either directly or indirectly, will help you develop. Look for training. Once you have identified the areas you need to improve, look for some online courses that will help you learn certain interpersonal and social skills that would be useful to the work in the workplace. Develop your emotional intelligence. Interpersonal skills rely on reading others correctly and having empathy. Good emotional intelligence will help you accept other differences and understand their point of view. Practice communication. If you are normally reserved at work, try to put yourself on there and practice your newly learned communication skill. This will give the confidence to keeping improving.